Convert 2.5 days into minutes. We were given 2.5 days, and we want to convert them to minutes. We know that in 1 day, there's 24 hours, and that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So first we must convert days to hours by multiplying through our conversion factor of 24 hours in every 1 day. Then we can convert the hours to minutes by multiplying through our conversion factor of 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Multiplying through this, we see that the days cancel and leave us with hours, then the hours cancel and leave us with minutes. Solving this, we multiply 2.5 by 24 to get hours, then multiply by 60 to get minutes. This tells us that there is 3,600 minutes in 2.5 days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.